Welcome to today's fascinating topic, neuroplasticity. You might be wondering, what is neuroplasticity? Well, let me tell you, it's the brain's superpower. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change, adapt, and reorganize itself in response to new experiences, learning, and even injury. It's like a brain workout. How does neuroplasticity work? When we learn something new, our brain cells, or neurons, form new connections called synapses. The more we practice, the stronger these connections become. Benefits of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity helps us recover from injuries, learn new skills, and even improve our cognitive abilities. It's like a brain upgrade. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the amazing world of neuroplasticity. Remember, your brain is capable of incredible things, so keep learning, growing, and challenging yourself.